Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe. This is the look we'll be creating today, so please keep on watching. This is our model Rafika. We are going to be creating a simple natural nude look on her today, and I'm sorry I have not been posting anything on the channel. I deeply apologize. I start off by cleansing her face thoroughly with my micellar water and my baby wipes. I make sure I get off all impurities of her face. Then I move on to apply my moisturizer, and I focus more under the eyes so I don't experience any cakiness or creasing after my makeup. I go ahead to apply my toner stroke primer on her face. I make sure I apply this product on her brow area so that I don't have any difficulties when I get to drawing the brows. Then I apply my Pond's primer. It's a mattifying primer. I apply this all over her face with my finger. Guys, I mixed 3 different foundations to get her exact skin tone. I make sure I match her face to her neck. Then I go in with my foundation brush to blend everything in. Then I move on into my cream contour. I applied a foundation shade darker than her skin tone. Then I blend everything in gently. After blending in, I move into my Eye Magic lip palette. Then I apply a pink lip cream on the apples of her cheek as my blush. Then I blend it in with the same brush I use for the contour. I move on to highlights by applying concealer on the under eyes, forehead, the chin area, and the nose. Guys, I didn't know this concealer dries so fast, so I have difficulties trying to blend everything in, but I'm willing to take the risk for you guys. I don't want to clean everything and start all over again. After blending everything in, I go into my setting powder to set. I set other areas of the face with my powder palette. After setting the other parts of the face, I go into my setting powder to reverse contour. Then I do my brows and prepare the eyelids off camera. For the eye color, I'm going into my powder palette. I'm using that shade as my transition shade. I make sure I blend well. I then go into this darker shade for my outer corner, and I make sure for the inner corner I blend it with the nose contour to prevent any harsh lines. After blending everything well, I'm now going into my concealer to cut my crease. Now that I know this concealer dries quickly, I'm going to finish this eye before I move to the other eye. So after cutting the crease, I go into my powder palette. Then I use the shade next to the white shade to set on the cut crease area. After doing all this, I quickly go back into my powder palette. Then I use the colors I used previously for my transition to blend the demarcation between the cut crease and the transition area, because I don't want any harsh lines. After doing all this, I then do my liner, my lower lid area, and then I apply my lashes off camera. After that, I then dust off all excess powder off her face with my powder brush. Then I go into her waterline with this black pencil, and I then set all over her face with my fixed setting spray. I then move into my highlighter to highlight all the areas light hit. That is apples of her cheek, bridge of her nose, her forehead, her chin, and cubic bowl. So guys, since I want this look to be so natural as possible, I'm going into my lip palette to use a brown lip cream to outline her lips and a pink lip cream for the inner part of the lip. Then blend to get a perfect simple lip color that fits her. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. That is the finished look on our model. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment in the comment section below, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next video. So guys, that is a close look of what I did to the eyes. I wanted it to pop a little bit, so I added a pink liner to the black liner. These are pictures we took outside. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.